I am here. Dokubo Asari is here. If America had invaded Nigeria, we would have fought America. The sick, mad idiot in America called Donald Trump said he's going to invade Nigeria. Listen very well. That he's going to invade Nigeria. And I said, Nigeria, and I promised him, and I still promise, that if Americans forcefully, disrespectfully enter this country, we'll fight them and we'll defeat them. America cannot fight conventional warfare with Iran. The only strength of America is to draw weapons of mass destruction like the nuke and other weapons, dangerous weapons of mass destruction. Now, America scaled down, this madman scaled down on his rhetoric and decided to collaborate with the Nigerian government, the Nigerian military. And he was invited by the sovereign authority in Nigeria to come to Nigeria. And then this nincompoop. I asked him, where is Dokubo Asari? The government of Nigeria decided to collaborate. And if you listen to my wisdom, my broadcast, you will see that I said, instead of America helping, America has come to deepen the division within Nigeria and escalated the already bad situation in Nigeria. Is there might be. So if America had offered helping hands to Nigerian government, and the Nigerian government has accepted it, so why call my name? Did America invade Nigeria? But you are idiots. Brainless idiots. You are so brainless. So you just take your leprosy finger and start to type. I am here. Dokubo Asari is here. If America had invaded Nigeria, we would have fought America. The rhetoric of Christian genocide had been put to rest. And we stood our ground in correcting the false narrative. We stood our ground in correcting the false narrative that there is no such thing as Christian genocide. That both Muslims and Christians are being killed, and people of other religion. Muslims are being killed more than Christians and others. But yes, we Muslims cannot totally excuse ourselves from blame, because the people who are carrying out these evil acts claim to be Muslims. And I pointed out this thing. I'm not pointing it out because you love me or because I'm afraid. Somebody who had been detained 70-something times, what am I going to be afraid? Somebody who had been tried for treason. I am not on the same level with you. Who had been underground. But why? I will continue to tell the truth. I will continue to stand by the people. So we have laid to rest the evil narrative that there is a Christian genocide in Nigeria. And we should be congratulated. You hate us as Muslims. You thought America would come and kill us. We will fight America. And in the course of our fighting, if you get on the way of America, you will go with them. But listen, we're not blameless. The Muslim cannot, like I said, excuse ourselves from blame because we have not come out to condemn these fellows who are killing us and killing people of other religion, Christians and non-Christians. So, from time immemorial, I'd always condemned the action of Chegumi. You cannot support evil. And when they say Northern elders came out to say, you cannot support evil. When you see evil, you must oppose it. You must go out against it. You must declare jihad against evil, against fitna, against musiba that is spreading upon the. Some people will say, but they are Muslim. Yes, they are. And we as Muslims must speak out against them, fight against them, be at the vanguard of those who are fighting them. We don't need any Trump. But let nobody justify the actions and activities of these criminals, these butchers. Because today it is me. Tomorrow you'll be served their own. So, where is Haradi? Did America invade? They came. They are collaborating with Nigeria, and I will also collaborate with them. Because before they came, I'd been in the field searching for these people. Before Donald Trump and his madness sent America here, I've been in the field searching for these people. And now if I have added advantage of America coming with our technology and so on to support us in getting rid of these people, whether America is sincere or not is none of my business. As long as they are here to support me in getting rid of these people, then 100% I will aid them. 100%. I'm going to aid them. Because it is for the benefit of Nigeria. It is for the safety of Nigerians. It is for the good health of Nigerians. So if today government say, Americans are here, they require pointers, they require lead people who will show them where they will go to. My people are available. We will assist, we will volunteer to assist, as long as it is for the good of Nigeria. As long as there is no sinister motive. Even if they have sinister motive in their coming to work with the government of the Nigerian state, we will thwart it. We will thwart and expose them. Expose their negative, their evil intentions.